Good morning, Christmas.
So cold. So cold. So cold.
It's so cold, goddammit.
Of course it's cold. It's freaking Christmas.
Yes, I can tell. I didn't even know that Christmas could be this freezing. It's so hot. I love Christmas. I really do.
It sounds like you don't.
Are you kidding?
I love Christmas. It's one of the best holidays ever. Hell, who does not love Christmas?
Wait.
Well, me and Raptor are looking at you because you used to not love Christmas.
What? How dare you hurt my Christmas spirit? I love Christmas.
Oh, with a time like this, you two are someone who usually love Christmas around these days.
What? That's not true.
Oh, pretty much it is, because it actually does prove that usually you Rexes don't love Christmas. So, but Allosauruses are really a huge fan of Christmas. I doubt that. Tell that to Wiki. What is going on?
Well. It seems that the king has emerged from the snow.
What king?
Jesus! I can't move!
What the hell happened to my island?
What do you mean what happened to your island? It's covered in snow! It's Christmas. Oh, well, I'm such a retard. Time like this, yeah, Junior Goji, just tell you, this is your first time being Christmas.
Oh, it is! Yes!
Yeah, do you know that especially the part that, yeah, you Titans don't usually hang around with Christmas. Especially the ones that can be able to survive in Christmas. Wait, what? The Titans. Like, Zilla, Methuselah. Actually, Methuselah can handle Christmas very easily. Yeah. Well, doesn't look that bad. It's getting colder a little bit, so I can handle snow. Since I can handle Titans, I'm the king of the monsters, I can pretty much handle anything. Listen, I know I'm not immortal, still. Okay. But really, who does not love Christmas? Hey, legendary Ghidorah, how are you doing in space? I'm doing absolutely fantastic. I see the Earth covered in snow, and I look at the timer. Number one, it's freaking Christmas, my most favorite holiday. Because Christmas is one of the best holidays ever. I mean, who does not love Christmas? It's the birth of God, birth of Jesus. Oh my holy technique! Yeah, same old. Well, I came to come here to tell you that there's a little bit of problem. Two problems, actually. What type of two problems? Oh, come to me. Let's go in your house real quick. My house? My house? The doors! And even though our species are arch rivals, but come on, your friend. Fine. Besides, it is even more colder, so alright, everyone inside. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Force Raptor had a ride on me all the time. The Dino News. Oh, I missed this.
Breaking news from the Godzilla-verse. It has been determined that these 3 new upcoming bands of dinos have decided to put up the show against Tyranids, Raptor, and Fury. But, warning, the blizzard of madness is on its way to the island at around 3 p.m. sharp. Prepare yourself for the holiday, and Merry Christmas!
Are you fucking serious? So you mean to tell me we had to deal with these 3 bulldozers, or these rip-off of us, in the middle of Christmas? And there's gonna be a fucking blizzard coming here around 4 o'clock? Son, mama. Goji, since when this island is gonna get blizzards? I don't know, since then. Since then? You mean now? It's Christmas! I forgot to tell you guys this. Usually, some islands in the south get a lot of snow. So right now, we're in the south. What? I know! Which is why there's like a pile of snow in front of my house! In front of your house? It's everywhere in the island!
Relax, it's just Christmas. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Wow, how convenient.
Oh, I swear there better not be a predator in front of our house. Who goes there? Well, it has seems that you must be the Riptor squads. Yeah, So what? Well, we here to competition you to actually challenging us during Snow Day.
Snow Day? Snow Day, my ass!
Well, we're the ones that wanted to challenge you. Okay, what's your team name? We are the Controversies. Wow, the Controversies is not a bad name. Shut up! And we're here to challenge you on Snow Day.
Trying to freaking ruin our Christmas spirit! Leave us alone!
Or what? You're gonna cry? Please, does it look like I'm gonna cry? No. Exactly. So you shut the hell up. Enough talk. Meet us at 3 o'clock p.m. today. And hurry, the blizzard is coming. Come on, boys. Alright. You guys are nerds. I'm about to kill that Triceratops. I know, we're going to. Alright, boys, grab your little weapons. We're about to kick some ass. That's what I'm talking about.
It's like just one of those days when you want to do it or not.
Just be quiet and follow us, please.
Guys, the storm is getting far worse. And besides, it is 3:16. I think we should call it a retreat. No.
I refuse!
We're taking this down, and no one's taking Christmas from us. Oh. Hey, boss, the nerds are here. Alright, Cromwell, we're here.
Well, it seems that you guys actually brought your instruments. Well,
It seems like we're gonna have a fun time. Alright, boys, let's kill them. Where's your instrument? We're not the Controversies. We are your enemies. And this time, you will be defeated. Oh. The Battle of the Bands. So we brought our instruments for no apparent reasons. It's a competition seeing which is the best band of Godzilla Rexy first Island. And now it's time for you to be prepared for the darkness. You know what? I got an idea. What is it? We're not gonna kill you guys. Wait, what? We're just going to defeat you instead. Wait, that's not even a kill.
what? No! This can't be!
Suck it! I may have been defeated, but I'll warn you, I will have my revenge! No revenge on Christmas Day. No one! I will... fine. You may have made us defeated, but I promise you, we will be coming back. You know what? This was a complete waste of time. We're so sorry that we ruined your Christmas. Fighting all the time is just really boring if you kind of think about it. Don't worry. It's about time you guys get back to me. But, should we let them in? Can we let them out? Yeah, sure. Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. You guys will be probably wasting Christmas helping us, so enjoy your Christmas. This is a Christmas special! We're supposed to care for one another. What? We're helping you. Help us, guys. On it. Thank you for helping us. We really didn't need that anyways. Sure, no problem. But what are you gonna do now since we defeated you? Well, same old. We're just gonna hang out with our family, open some gifts for our kids, and have an awesome Christmas. But yeah, let's hurry up. It's about to get in the storm. Alright. See ya, guys. Oh, Troll. He's out. Oh, winter, here we come. That was a relief for them. Yeah, Raptor?
Yeah, guys! Listen!
Right?
Hey, that was some awesome performance. It's like I was kicking someone's ass.
I know, even though it wasn't really a performance, it was just defeating those guys that really didn't even perform as anyways. They were just tricks. Yeah, and plus, I wasn't even that surprised that they were really going to challenge you. I kind of knew you guys were going to defeat them anyway. Exactly. You okay? I'm okay. Oh, fire. Thank you guys a lot. You're welcome. Wonder how's everyone else doing? They're basically probably hibernating, probably waiting for the real Christmas. I mean, yeah, tomorrow is the Christmas. And this is a Christmas special video, so we decided to do it anyway. So. It's the greatest. Yay! Christmas! Am I right? Christmas? Christmas special? We beat the blizzard! The blizzard! The ice! The blizzards! The blizzard! I'll be quiet. But it's time to say goodbye to 2020! Finally! Jesus! Time for 2021. Yay. Now, you guys can end the video here. I'm just gonna grab myself a coffee. Hey! Wait! It's gonna be the last time. Oh my god. Oh, I'll say here. Oh yes, Merry Christmas everyone, and please be safe out there, because I heard there's a lot of storms going on. Yeah, except for the part there's a blizzard in our island! Indeed that is. But Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Finally 2021 is coming. I know, right? But, have a great day everyone, and be safe. Do we end the video here? Ah!
寒さが心地よくて